Hi students, welcome to Chemistry Online. In this class we are going to discuss very important topic, that is nothing but Le Chatelier principle and factors affecting on equilibrium. Le Chatelier principle and factors affecting on equilibrium, in this chapter we are going to discuss. If it is your question, what is the need of discussing Le Chatelier principle means, the man Le Chatelier absorbed many chemical reactions which are at equilibrium and given a statement and proposed a statement which is based on that principle. We may get some advantages, we may get some uses, so we are going to discuss based on that. Okay, see here, first of all, you know what is Le Chatelier principle. Le Chatelier principle, what is Le Chatelier principle means, first I will write the principle and then I will explain. If a chemical reaction is at equilibrium, if a chemical reaction is at equilibrium, if a chemical reaction at equilibrium is subjected to change, concentration, pressure and temperature, equilibrium position shifts, in a direction, change is reduced, okay. So that is equilibrium, that is a Le Chatelier principle. What is Le Chatelier principle means, if a chemical reaction at equilibrium is subjected to change concentration, pressure and temperature, then equilibrium position shifts in a direction, change is reduced, okay. See here, generally small a capital A plus small b capital B gives rise to small c capital C, small d capital D. It is a chemical reaction which is at equilibrium, is a chemical reaction at equilibrium, okay. Here these are reactants, and these are products, okay. It is a forward reaction it is a forward reaction, it is a backward reaction. Understand? It is forward reaction and it is forward reaction, it is a backward. Reactants to products is forward, products to reactants is backward. Here it is a subjected. If you change pressure, concentration, temperature, then equilibrium position shifts in a direction. Increasing pressure is a decreasing side, increasing temperature is a decreasing temperature side, and increasing concentration is a decreasing concentration side. That is nothing but a Le-Chatelier principle. Le-Chatelier principle. Le-Chatelier absorbed many chemical reactions which are at equilibrium and given a statement. It is nothing but a statement of Le-Chatelier principle. It is a statement of Le-Chatelier principle. Okay. Now we have to discuss factors influence on chemical equilibrium. Factors influence. Factors influence. Factors influence equilibrium. Factors influence equilibrium. Okay. So, what are the factors influence equilibrium means we are going to discuss. So, total 4 factors. How many factors we have? 4 factors. So, first one is concentration. Concentration. Second one is pressure. Second one is pressure. And third one is temperature. Third one is temperature. And fourth one is catalyst. And fourth one is catalyst. How these factors show, these factors influence on equilibrium means we will discuss briefly one by one. So, first of all, you know Le-Chatelier principle and these factors influence equilibrium. How many factors? 4. Concentration, pressure, temperature and catalyst. First we will discuss concentration. Okay. So, here we will discuss concentration. We will discuss concentration. So, here how concentration shows effect means, if you increase the concentration of reactants, forward reaction takes place. Products are formed. Okay. If you increase the concentration of reactants, forward reaction takes place, products are formed. If you increase the concentration of products, backward reactant takes place, reactants are formed. Okay. So, increase in concentration of reactants, concentration of reactants, forward reaction favors. Forward reaction favors. Increase in concentration of reactants, forward reaction favors. Okay. Then increase in concentration of products. Concentration of products, backward reaction favors. backward reaction favors. Okay. So what I mean to say, increasing concentration of reactants forward reaction, increasing concentration of products backward reaction. Okay. See, this is concentration effect. See, increasing concentration of reactants, decreasing concentration of products is the same. Increasing concentration of products or decreasing concentration of reactants is the same. Okay. So it is the effect of concentration on equilibrium state. It is the effect of concentration on equilibrium state. Okay. Then what is pressure? So this is the first one and it is the second one, pressure. Here you have to know one important point. So pressure shows effect on chemical equilibrium reactions delta n not equal to 0. Pressure does not show effect on delta n equal to 0. First of all, you know. So here pressure does not affect on equilibrium reactions delta n equal to 0. Pressure does not show effect on equilibrium reactions delta n equal to 0. Okay. Pressure effect on equilibrium reactions delta n not equal to 0. Delta n not equal to 0. See, pressure effect on equilibrium reactions delta n not equal to 0. Delta n means number of moles of gaseous products minus number of moles of gaseous reactants. Okay. See here, increase in pressure, increase pressure on equilibrium reaction, then volume decreases. Then increase pressure on equilibrium reaction and then volume or moles decreases. Understand? Increase the pressure means equilibrium position shifts in a direction, decreasing volume side or decreasing number of moles side. Okay. In the same way, decrease pressure on equilibrium reactions and then volume or moles increases. Okay. For example, N2 plus 3H2 gives rise to 2NH3. Okay. Here number of volumes is 4 volumes. 4 volumes. ఇది 1, it is a 3, 1 plus 3, 4 volumes. Is here 2 volumes. 2 volumes of products, 4 volumes of reactants. Here number of volumes is not equal. So 4, 2. Then pressure shows effect on this type of equilibrium reactions. If you increasing pressure on the equilibrium, then equilibrium position shifts to decreasing volume side, means a product side. If you decrease the pressure on equilibrium, then equilibrium position shifts in increasing volume side, means a reactant side. Understand? 4 volumes are means reactants, 2 volumes products. So it is the effect of pressure on equilibrium state. Equilibrium reactions having number of moles is not equal. Okay, so these are reactants and these are products. Reactants having 4 volumes and products having 2 volumes. Okay, 2 volumes products, it is a reactants. Okay, then if you increase pressure on equilibrium, then what happened? Equilibrium position shifts decreasing volume side. If you decrease pressure on equilibrium, then what happened? Equilibrium position shifts increasing volume side. Understand? So this is the effect of pressure on equilibrium state. Then how many factors we having? Temperature and catalyst. Understand? It is some typical topic. Don't by heart this. You have to get the concept and read in your own manner. Next, factor number 3, temperature. Factor number 3, temperature. Okay. See, before we are going to discuss effect of temperature on chemical equilibrium, you have to know chemical reactions are 2 types, exothermic, endothermic. Exothermic means the temperature is released. Endothermic means the temperature is absorbed. Okay, see here. Here chemical reactions are 2 types. Chemical reactions are two types. See, first one, exothermic reaction. Exothermic reaction means the temperature is released. Temperature is released. Okay. Second one, endothermic reaction. Endothermic reaction. Here temperature is absorbed. Here temperature is absorbed. Okay. So if the chemical reaction is exothermic, low temperature is favorable. Okay, if the chemical reaction is endothermic, high temperature is favorable. Okay, see here, for exothermic chemical reactions, for exothermic chemical reactions low temperature is favors. Low temperature is favors. Okay, for endothermic reactions for endothermic reactions, high temperature is favors. Okay, for endothermic reactions high temperature is favors, for exothermic reactions low temperature is favors. Understand? So this is effect of temperature on chemical equilibriums. Next, fourth one, catalyst. Then fourth one, catalyst. So what is catalyst means? Catalyst is a substance which increases the rate of reaction, speed of the reaction, without consuming in the chemical reaction, is called catalyst. See, on equilibrium reactions, catalyst does not show any effect. On equilibrium reactions, catalyst does not show any effect. It does not change the equilibrium state. It is useful to achieving equilibrium, fastly achieving equilibrium, or it is useful to reaching equilibrium fastly. Okay, so catalyst does not show does not affect on equilibrium. Catalyst does not affect on equilibrium. Okay, it does not change the state of equilibrium. It does not change state of equilibrium. But it is helpful to attaining equilibrium state. But it is helpful to achieving equilibrium state. Okay, for example, we have to travel from Ayasadan to Koti. By walk, how much time it will take? 1 hour, more than 1 hour. By bike, how much time it will take? 15 to 20 minutes. So we are going by walk means Koti is nearer to us. A distance between the Koti and Ayasadan is changes. We are going by bike means the distance between the Ayasadan to Koti is decreases. No, but time reduces. Depends on selecting of traveling. Depending on selecting of way of traveling, time reduces. Means distance will be same, but a bike reduces the time and walk increases the time. Like that, catalyst increases the speed of the reaction. Increases the speed of the reaction. It is helpful to achieving equilibrium state very fastly. Okay. So here catalyst does not affect on equilibrium. It does not change the state of equilibrium, but it is helpful to achieving equilibrium state. Okay. So these are the factors affecting on equilibrium state or equilibrium reactions. Okay. So how many factors? Concentration, pressure and temperature and catalyst. Okay. So what is the Le Chatelier principle? What is the Le Chatelier principle? If a chemical reaction is at equilibrium, is subjected to change concentration, pressure and temperature. So equilibrium position shifts in a direction, change is reduced or nullified. Change is reduced or nullified. Okay. So this is briefly about today's topic. It is very important for 4 marks. Okay. It's a time to leave.